Hey guys, this is a deck we refurbished actually 4 years ago. Client called us back. We're going to be doing some stonework and other work for them, but it's really good to see, when you do a good job, it lasts for a long time. And I want to talk to you about, rehabbing decks. A lot of times you have to have somebody like me, a true professional inspect the deck, because sometimes you can just rehab it instead of completely ripping out. And that's exactly what we did here. We added some new support systems. And obviously we dressed it up with new lattice, white PVC, new Trex railing system with a Trex. We use spice rum. Here, I'll come up and show you. Put some lights on, added a new door here. Client actually painted it white because the doors don't come in white, they come in black. So you can see brand new Trex deck. The framing, we kept the same. We replaced some boards as needed, but now you never have to worry about this floor for life. It has a lifetime warranty with Trex. Walk out barefoot, no splinters. We did this beautiful custom. Actually, the client, he's really cool. He's an engineer, he's a gas engineer. He designed this for us, and we went ahead and installed it with the lights and everything. And then we also rehabbed this beautiful screen and porch. Screen and porches are my favorite. It's hot right now. It's May. Getting hot already in the DC area, and as soon as you step into the screen and porch, it cools down. It's nice, and no mosquitoes. I hate mosquitoes personally. He actually, it's incredible. As engineers are great. He built this himself, but we rehabbed everything. It's a tough job, by the way. If you have not had to redo railings within a screen and porch where the screens are. It's a careful job. You have to do it right. You have to take your time. You cannot rush through it. Anyways, client's happy. I'm happy. 4 years later, coming back to see the work, still just A quality stuff. That's what I stand for. That's what my company stands for, and our clients stand for too. We like to do things right. We're in the DC area. We want things right. So, just want to check in. Beautiful work. Decks where we live, patios are where we live, outdoors. Very nice.